Hi there, my name is Kurosh, and in this video I'm going to go through 5 of my favorite browser extensions for the Arc browser. Now, as you probably know, the Arc browser is a beautifully designed browser that really boosts your productivity and puts customization first. Now, that doesn't mean that the browser by itself is perfect and does everything. But luckily, we can install thousands of different Chrome extensions onto our Arc browser that will help us create an even better experience browsing the internet. Now, the Arc browser is Chromium based. That means that it's based on the Chrome browser from Google. Since most web extensions are built for the Google Chrome browser, we can very easily install them and also use them on the Arc browser. To do that, all you need to do is Google the kind of extension that you want to download. You will then be sent on to the Chrome Web Store website where you can then add the extension to your browser. So let's do this super quickly together just so you see what it's like. Let's Google Chrome Web Store, which will then send us on to the Chrome Web Store, of course. And over here, we get access to hundreds of thousands of different browser extensions. Let's just randomly select one, stay focused, and all we gotta do is add it to Chrome. Now, don't be worried about adding it to Chrome. It will add it to your Arc browser. Boom. And the extension is now here. Usually you will get like a welcome page, but that doesn't matter for us because this extension is actually not part of the list. But in your Arc browser, if you want to see all of your extensions, all you got to do is go up here to the URL bar and then click on here on the site control center, and all of your extensions will be right in here. But without much ado, let's get right into it and start off with one of my favorite extensions that I've been using for years. The first extension that we're going to talk about is the Cold Turkey Blocker extension. It's one of my favorite extensions. I've been using it for years and it does exactly what it says on the tin. It allows you to block websites cold turkey. So for example, I really want to stay focused right now and I want to record this video. So I don't suddenly want to jump into Twitter or Facebook or any other social media website. So I want to block them for a certain period. Now let's do that together. I am now on Twitter, but I want to focus, so I want to block it. I go to my extensions. I click on the Cold Turkey Blocker extension icon, which will then open up this page. Now here it tells me that I can add this site that I'm currently on, x.com, to this block, annoyances and distractions. So let's do that. Now what this means is when I go and I open Cold Turkey Blocker and I go to my blocks, you can see the annoyances and distraction block at the top. And essentially all that is a collection of websites that I said, hey, I just want to block these right now. And to block them, I simply just have to turn it on. I go back to my Twitter page, and as you can see, it is blocked. I can't go on to Twitter. It's impossible. I can always turn it off, of course, but if you want to go hard, you can also enable blocks to remain for 30 to 40 minutes or for however long you want them to be blocked. And you can't actually unblock them until that time runs out. Highly recommend this to stay focused. But let's move on to our second extension. Our second extension is called Voicy, and Voicy is a speech-to-text tool that works on every text field on the internet. Essentially, what this means for you is that you never have to type using your keyboard again, and we usually speak 3 times faster than we can write. This has been a huge productivity unlock for me, especially when I'm writing documents, emails, whatever. Rather than typing it out, I just use my voice. So let's see it in action. Let's go on to google.com, super easy. And what we see here is this blue dot. When I hover over that blue dot and click on the microphone, I am now recording myself. And whenever I click on the microphone again, my transcription will come out. So let's do that. As you can see, it is doing it, and there we go. We get it instantly. So it's super accurate. It already does the punctuation for you. It even does your formatting for you on certain websites, like on Gmail. Now, it works everywhere. For example, let's go on to Google Docs. We see the blue dot. Let's go on to our email. I click on it. I see the blue dot. Voicy has been incredibly helpful to me. But let's move on to the next one. Let's talk about the Perplexity Chrome extension. Now, if you're active in the AI space, you're gonna know Perplexity as the Google killer, which it isn't. It's just web searching powered by AI, and it is so good. So rather than searching for anything on Google, now that I have the Perplexity Chrome extension, I can just click on my extensions, select Perplexity, and then ask it anything. Like, for example, what are the best Arc browser extensions? And then rather than just giving me the results like you would get them on Google, you get a perfect explanation. So for example, it gives me the top Arc browser extensions. Voicy's in here too. Awesome. And when you go to the very bottom, if you truly want the links, it will also add them in here. There you go. So these are the sources. This has been huge for me. So rather than Googling something, finding the best link that actually answers my question, I just use Perplexity. It's fantastic. Moving on to the next one. Let's talk about the Monica Chrome extension, because this one is by far the most powerful one in this video, and it can be a lot. So I'm just gonna give you the basic overview of it, but spend some time checking it out. The free plan is very generous, but this extension is incredibly powerful. It essentially adds an AI assistant to every single website that you're on. So let's go back to Google right now. And this is the text that we wrote earlier with Voicy. Now let's select this text. What we now get is this little Monica thing here, right? And just to give you like a glimpse into what is possible with it, it allows me to translate this text into any language. It allows me to improve it with AI. And it allows me to rephrase it, whatever. But this is just the start. Over here, we again see the Monica icon, so let's click on it. This will open up the Monica side panel with all of the options of this Chrome extension. So you can use it to write, to grammar check, to translate, to chat to a PDF, to create a mind map, to create an AI detector, to create images. Anything is possible with Monica. It is, as you can see, very overwhelming, but highly recommended. Just give it a try. Now, finally, let's get to our last extension. And this is a lighter one, but it is quite delightful. And I'm talking about the Todoist for Chrome extension. Todoist allows me to create a wonderful to-do list within Arc that I can easily follow throughout the day. So for example, let's go back to our extensions, click on the Todoist icon, and it will load and it will show me my tasks for today. Boom. And then you can just finish it. Now let's add a new task to it. Let's say finish YouTube video. I can set a deadline for it. I can flag it. I can add reminders to it. So much to it. But as you can see, the design is pretty. The layout is clean. It's not overwhelming. It does what it needs to do perfectly. Now, this is it from me, but if you have any other Chrome extension that you just love using on Arc, I'd love to hear about it. Throw it in the comments and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more productivity tips. And that's it from me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.